How to put an image in text in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. Putting image inside the text is mainly used in commercials and is very helpful for people making commercial banners and stuff like this. So let's first create the text and go to the type tool, then create a text box, type something like nature, and make the font color white. Then we want to increase the font size. Then drag the image to be above the text layer, like this. We want now to create a clipping mask from the image. So you have two options, either to go with the mouse and click on Option and Alt, and then move until the cursor changes to this, and then click, as you can see, or just right click here, click on create clipping mask. Now it's created. So let's add a background. Let's go to the pocket tool and add background, drag it to the down. As you can see, this is a perfect and beautiful banner. Image and text can be used in banners, book covers, magazines, anything like this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.